Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonym quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of advance? The correct option is D. Retreat. Question 2. What is the antonym of ally? The correct option is C. Opponent. Question 3. What is the antonym of approve? The correct option is A. Disapprove. Question 4. What is the antonym of ascend? The correct option is B. Descend. Question 5. What is the antonym of benefit? The correct option is D. Disadvantage. Question 6. What is the antonym of blunt? The correct option is B. Dull. Question 7. What is the antonym of chaos? The correct option is A. Order. Question 8. What is the antonym of conceal? The correct option is B. Reveal. Question 9. What is the antonym of confident? The correct option is D. Insecure. Question 10. What is the antonym of courage? The correct option is C. Fear. Question 11. What is the antonym of decrease? The correct option is A. Increase. Question 12. What is the antonym of defend? The correct option is B. Attack. Question 13. What is the antonym of deserve? The correct option is D. Undeserve. Question 14. What is the antonym of employer? The correct option is C. employee. Question 15. What is the antonym of expand? The correct option is A. Compress. Question 16. What is the antonym of export? The correct option is B. Import. Question 17. What is the antonym of freedom? The correct option is D. Restriction. Question 18. What is the antonym of graceful? The correct option is C. Clumsy. Question 19. What is the antonym of justice? The correct option is A. Injustice. Question 20. What is the antonym of lend? The correct option is B. Withhold. Question 21. What is the antonym of majority? The correct option is D. Minority. Question 22. What is the antonym of narrow? The correct option is C. Broad. Question 23. What is the antonym of permit? The correct option is A. Forbid. Question 24. What is the antonym of praise? The correct option is B. Criticize. Question 25. What is the antonym of victory? The correct option is B. Defeat. That's it for today's video, and I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.